Good morning, students. As we have done indefinite integrals. In indefinite integrals, we have studied the formulas and how to use the method there. Now, standard formula you have already done. Now, today we are going to start 12th chapter, that is harder integral. The name is harder, but it is not a harder. नाम उसका harder दिया मगर harder नहीं, बहुत simple है. We will use directly this formulas. These are the standard formula. You have to learn by heart. You have to use this formula to solve this. See one question here. Exercise this first question. So it is given integrate dx upon x square minus 5x plus 6. See what is given here? X square minus 5x plus 6. This question is given. What we will do? We know that we will reduce this in the form of this. A square plus 2ab plus b square, it is equal to a plus b whole square. We will make the perfect square in this form. Minus is given, so a square minus 2ab plus b square equal to a minus b whole square. We will use this formula. We will use this formula, or we have to reduce this. Now you see what is given, x square minus 5x plus 6. And here minus is given, means it is of this form, that is a square minus 2ab plus b square equal to a minus b whole square. So we can write like this. See, integral dx upon x square minus 2, because in both the case 2 is given, 2 into a is our x, a is given x, but here 5 is given. What here 5 is given, 2 is not given. So we will write here 5 by 2. So by this 2 will cancel this 2. So you will get 5x as your question. हमने 2 को remove कर दिया divide करके, तो अब क्या होगा? A square minus 2ab. What is b? 5 by 2. Our b is 5 by 2. So then we are getting b square means 5 by 2. Our b is 5 by 2. So b square will be 5 by 2 whole square. So what we will do? We will add 5 by 2 whole square and separate 5 by 2 whole square and plus 6 of the question. हमने क्या किया? ये क्वेश्चन दिया माइनस के फॉर्म में दिया है, x उसका माइनस 5x प्लस 6 किस फॉर्म में, a उसका माइनस 2ab प्लस b स्क्वायर के फॉर्म में है. तो x उसका माइनस 2 फॉर्मूला का है, यहाँ नहीं गिवन है, तो हम इसको पुट करेंगे और रिमूव करेंगे डिवाइडर से. मल्टीप्लाई करके वो टर्म्स आ जाता है और डिवाइड करने से वो टर्म्स रिमूव हो जाएंगे. तो 2 into x into 5 by 2. Our b is here 5 by 2. So b square 5 by 2 square minus 5 by 2. हमने add 5 by 2 square किया, subtract 5 by 2. अब ये complete किस फॉर्म में आ गया? a square minus 2ab plus b square, that is a minus b whole square. So we will get here dx upon x minus 5 by 2 whole square minus ये क्या हुआ 25 by 4 plus 6. Again simplify, so dx will be x minus 5 by 2 whole square minus take LCM 4 25 minus plus 24. So we will get here integral dx upon x minus 5 by 2 whole square minus 1 by 4 minus 1 by 4 of here dx upon x minus 5 by 2 whole square minus 1 by 2 whole square. So this is of the form dx upon x square minus a square. Here it is of the form integral 1 upon x square minus a square dx. It is 1 upon 2a log x minus a upon x plus a. So it will be 1 upon 2a log x minus a upon x plus a. This is of the form. What is x here? X is here x minus 5 by 2 and a is 1 by 2. So we will get here 1 upon 2a. A is here 1 by 2. A is here 1 by 2 into log x is here x minus 5 by 2 minus 1 by 2 upon x minus 5 by 2 plus 1 by 2 plus constant c. C is a constant of integration. Now we have to put the c as a constant of integration. So this to cancel, you will get here log LCM is 2. So 2x minus 5 minus 1. Similarly, denominator LCM is 2. So 2x minus 5 plus 1. These two cancel here or simplify. So log 2x minus 6 upon 2x minus 4. We can take 2 common also. So here we will get log, take 2 common. So it will be x minus 3. Here also 2 common, x minus 2. This 2 cancel. So answer is log x minus 3 upon x minus 2. Here see where it will become very simple. So whenever this question is given, you see the sign. If it is minus, then you will use a square minus 2ab plus b square, that is a minus b whole square. If plus is given, so it will be a square plus 2ab plus b square, that is a plus b whole square. And reduce in this form. Then after reducing this form, you will get in this form. Which form? Dx upon x square minus a square in this form, and directly we will use this formula given to you. We will do another question. So you have to learn by heart the formulas. If you know the formula, you will do it easily. तो फॉर्मूले को याद कर लीजिए अच्छे से और उसको सॉल्व करेंगे तो कोई प्रॉब्लम्स नहीं होंगी. नाउ वी विल डू अनदर क्वेश्चन, दैट इज if it is given dx upon x 1 plus log x 3 plus log x 1 plus log x 3 plus. Now see, log x is given and in the previous chapters we have done, that is differential is also present. So what we will do, we will put here, put log x equal to t 1 upon x dx equal to dt. See, 1 by x is given. So what we will get? dt upon 1 plus t and here 3 plus t. Simplify. So it is dt upon, if you multiply you will get t square plus 4t plus 3. See, if you multiply by 1, 3 plus t, 3t plus t square, arrange here t square plus 4t plus 3. Now see, it is on the form a square plus 2ab plus b square, which is equal to a plus b whole square. It is on the form a plus b whole square. Now reduce here. So we can write like this, integral dt upon t square plus 2 of the formula into t. A. Now here 4 is given. So what is our b? b is 2. So next b square means 2 square we have added, subtract 2 square and plus 3. Again further, this complete is of the form a square plus 2ab plus b square. So we will get here dt upon t plus 2 whole square minus 4 plus 3 or dt upon t plus 2 whole square minus 1 square. It is of the form dx upon x square minus a square, this formula, first formula. So it is equal to 1 upon 2a log x minus a upon x plus a. Now from here, use here, so it will be 1 upon 2a. What is a here? A is 1 and x is our t minus t plus 2. So log t plus 2 plus minus 1 upon t plus 2 plus 1 plus constant c, or 1 upon 2 log t plus 1 upon t plus 3. Now our question is given in x and we have put here t, so we will replace here. So it is 1 upon 2 log t is our log x, so it will be here log x plus 1 upon log x plus 3 plus c. So this is the answer. So whenever is given, you have to reduce in the form of a square plus 2ab plus b square, a square minus 2ab plus b square, simplify and then use this formula. So learn by heart all these formulas and apply this. So learn this question और प्रैक्टिस द क्वेश्चन, प्रैक्टिस करो इसको और कॉपी में करने की कोशिश करो. फॉर्मूला रटा हुआ होगा, आपको ये लर्न बाय हार्ट होगा तो करने में इजी रहेगा. ठीक है ना. थैंक यू.